In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a Roblox gift card here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to know is that you actually cannot redeem gift cards directly on the console, including a PS5. So instead, what you're going to need to do is either use a PC, laptop, phone, or tablet. It doesn't necessarily matter. You're going to want to use one of these though. I'm going to be using my PC for this, but essentially open up a browser, whether it's Google Chrome, Safari, whatever it might be, and just search for Roblox, and then go ahead and hit enter on roblox.com/home. Now, once you are on this page, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is log into the exact same Roblox account that you use on your PS5. And once you are signed in, what you're going to want to do is delete this little home part section right here and just type redeem just like so, spelled exactly like this, and hit enter. It's going to redirect you to the roblox.com/redeem page, and this is where you're going to want to type in your Roblox gift card, your virtual item, promo code, whatever it might be. Just take it off there, whether it is physical or digital. And once you do that, essentially all you need to do is type it in and just check the box saying that you do confirm, and then hit redeem. And after you do that, the Robux or whatever it might be will be added instantly to your account. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.